Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rohit Tiwari and I am here to reveal something else which I haven't revealed yet. So guys, I haven't shared that I'm a third year student, undergrad student, and I'm studying at Shunada University. I'm pursuing Bachelor's in Management Studies course, which is 4 year professional course. And today I'm trying to make a knowledge blog wherein I can actually reveal, not reveal actually, where I can actually share what is there in my course and what is the structure and what it all consists of. So be updated. So guys, today in today's video, I just want to share what I have learned and what my course has provided at Shunada University. So let me give you a brief introduction about Shunada University. It is a private university and it is located in Greater Noida. Dadri is the exact location where it is located, and that comes under Greater Noida only. And this university provides a lot of courses from engineering to economics to maths, and then my course is very different, and it is a bachelor's in management studies course, which is a 4 year professional management studies course. So why I thought of sharing this, because this time many of you would be completing your 12th, and you might be thinking what colleges I can opt and what course I can opt. So for commerce students, I was into commerce as far as my plus 2 is concerned. So there are opportunities, but there are very limited opportunities we have in the market. For example, people go for BCom, there are people who will go for BBA, and then there are people who prepare for CA, and there are other few more like banking competitive exams they'll prepare. So why I have chosen this bachelor's in management studies course, I'm gonna share you something. I'm gonna share with you a lot of details about it. Bachelor's of Management Studies program at SNU is very different, very different. The curriculum is as good as you want it, and you'll get a lot of professional knowledge. For example, it is a 4 year professional course, and then you get to involve yourself in different activities. Like for example, when you'll complete your second year, you'll be asked to do a social sector internship for 2 months, and you'll be working with rural people, you'll be working with some like CSRs or like NGOs, and you'll get to learn a lot of things. Then when you complete the third year, you are asked to do a corporate internship. So under corporate internship, you learn how to adapt and how to be in corporate. The life is very different. So you just adjust and you just get the experience of being in corporates. The other thing about this course is other thing about this branch actually is the courses are very much different and very much appreciable, because these courses provide you a ample amount of knowledge in their fields. Like HR, they provide different courses like HRM, human resource management, marketing. Under marketing, there is a retail marketing, sales marketing, quantitative techniques, and there are different courses. Now, one thing more I want to share about Shinada University, their curriculum. So when you are doing a major degree in management, so you as a person would be having a lot of interest. For example, there would be people who will be like, I have a lot of interest in photography, I have a lot of interest in editing, I have a lot of interest in like few courses in engineering. So the university runs on credit system. So you'll be asked to complete several credits like 150, 160 within 4 years of your graduation. So there are categories. There would be major courses which would be part of your branch. There would be electives. So electives under the branch only, you choose electives according to your interest. Like whether I want to pursue marketing, I want to do specialization in marketing or human resource management or other branch of managements. And then there are UWEs. So UWEs are university wide electives. So university wide electives applies that you are not allowed to do courses from your branch. You have to do courses from other branch. Like if you are into management, you cannot do courses from management, you have to do courses from other branch. So that gives you an opportunity to get to know, learn a lot of things, and just get to explore things, different things, and you learn a lot of different things, and it gives you confidence. For example, you'll be sitting in the interview and you'll be asked something, so you can actually say, sir, I got some bit of knowledge about it. So they'll be amazed, they'll be like, how? So you can tell them that my university has given me so and so opportunity, because of which I have got to learn so many different things. um, except like it doesn't matter whether you're a management student. Apart from being a management student, you get to learn a lot of other things from other branches. The other thing is co-curricular courses. So co-curricular courses also gives you a lot of opportunity to learn other things. For example, there would be courses like LIT, literature, identity, theater, where you get opportunity to explore yourself within yourself. Like you get to know a lot of things about you by doing theater, by doing so many activities. And guys, I need your support. If you can subscribe and like my video, if you can subscribe my channel, I'm sure I can actually give you more information about Shivnada University, and you can actually put your comments if you want to know something else about its admission process and all that. And thank you. I have already been like given support by so many people. I think more than 150 subscribers I have got. Thank you so much to everybody, and I need more support of yours so that I can we all as a family of YouTube can grow bigger and bigger, and I'll be able to share so much of information with you, whether it is related to food or travel, like my village and all. I'll be uploading one more village video where I'll show you how wheat grains are being taken out of its plant, and then I'll be showing you some more interesting videos, and then food also, of course. And thank you so much guys for your support, and please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much.